Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week, I'll be sharing the recipe of a family favorite, chicken shepherd's pie, a one-pot meal traditionally made with ground lamb. This is my version using chicken mince. To begin, prepare the filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add in a bay leaf. Add in a tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute until it begins to change color. Add in 1 medium onion, chopped. Saute until the onions are translucent. Next, add in half a cup of vegetables. I have used chopped carrots and peas for this recipe. Saute for a few minutes. Add in 300 grams chicken mince, and cook until the liquid dries up a bit. Now add in a cup of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock readily available, dissolve a cube of Maggi super seasoning in a cup of water as I have, and cook until the chicken mince is done. Add in 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 5 tablespoons tomato puree, and 3 tablespoons tomato sauce. Mix well. Cover with the lid and cook until the sauce dries up a bit. Finally, add in half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon rosemary, and quarter teaspoon thyme. Mix well. Make sure it is not too dry because it would bake in the oven. Check the salt and add more if required. Remove to a bowl and keep aside. For the topping, take 2 cups of boiled and mashed potatoes. Add in a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons butter, and an egg yolk. Mix well and keep aside. To assemble the pie, in an oven-proof dish, spread out the filling in an even layer. Top it with the mashed potatoes and smoothen them out. With a fork, create a design of your choice. In a preheated oven, bake it at 220 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until the potatoes start to color. The chicken shepherd's pie is ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.